What I have here is a copy of Donald Trump's tax returns. We have his federal tax return for 1 year for 2005.
Russia, and taxes.
This is a Fox News alert. NBC News is carrying out a political jihad against President Donald Trump. They released his 2005 taxes, and lo and behold, well, he paid more than NBC Comcast. He paid more than Mitt Romney. He paid more than the Obamas. He paid more than Bernie Sanders.
I believe this is the only set of the president's federal taxes that reporters have ever gotten a hold of.
Russia, and taxes.
They're going to try to make a big deal of this, but Matt Drudge is pointing out on his website, I'll read it to you, Trump paid a higher tax rate, 25%, than MSNBC Comcast, 24%, and much higher than Obama, 19%.
It's a rough night. It's a rough night for all of those that have really dedicated the past 6 months of their lives to delegitimizing President Trump.
We got this document today from a Pulitzer Prize-winning investigative journalist who's better on financial matters than almost anybody else in the business. His name is David K. Johnston, who found the president's 2005 tax returns in his mailbox. Good on the White House for acknowledging the return as proof of what the president made and paid that year.
Russia, and taxes.
Donald Trump paid $38 million in taxes on $150 million in income.
We have obtained this, but this is all we've got. This tells us something.
Russia, and taxes.
Well, we need to know, A, sources of his income, whether or not he's beholden to somebody. We also need to know whether all the things he said about himself and his wealth and his charitableness and all those things are true. But we also need to know if he is going to take actions as president in terms of tax policy that are going to benefit him.
Russia, and taxes. Enjoy it. Listen, this is certainly not a bad night for those who are supporting Donald Trump, and obviously all of us as Americans do support our president, but, you know, bigger fans like yourself.
Some of the media, wait a minute, some of the intelligence community, whoever leaked these taxes, they're out to bring the president down.
We also need to know if he is going to take actions as president in terms of tax policy that are going to benefit him. And you're saying,
benefit his benefactors.
Yes.
Yes.
Russia, and taxes. What we've heard tonight is the only conspiracies that are important are the ones that are fed to us by the Democrats and the mainstream media. But the conspiracies that Trump brings up, those are not legitimate. Those are cuckoo. Those are wacko. But if the Democrats bring something up, oh my goodness, we must investigate it to the fullest, Sean, and we must not do anything else.
Yeah.
No policies, no plans.
And they let I got to run, but they let Hillary commit multiple felonies.
No one let Hillary commit any felonies.
Let me just repeat what I have repeated for many months now. I never received nor sent any material that was marked classified.
From the group of 30,000 emails returned to the State Department in 2014, 110 emails in 52 email chains have been determined by the owning agency to contain classified information at the time they were sent.
I mean, I tried to lay out at the top of the show reasons why people are so interested in his tax returns. The White House has made this issue and saying it's only reporters who care. People don't care. This was litigated in the election when he didn't release his tax returns and people voted for him anyway. There are a number of reasons to be interested in his tax returns.
Russia, and taxes.